So you start from Dandasana. Remember that your single position, your pelvis, torso, head in a single column, and then you root your legs in Dandasana. Okay, so when you bring your foot back, get weight in the squatting foot. So not back, but forward. And so your foundation is your legs, your squatting foot and your extended leg. Okay, and then gonna reach forward and come around, internally rotating that arm so that the palm faces out. Then reach back and catch. And enjoy the setup position. Okay, so look at that again. Root, root, extend, internally rotate, wrap, then catch, lift, and get ready. Built your setup position, then it's like a crouch before the spring. You stamp your squatting foot, really lengthen your extended leg, wrap your arms snugly around your squatting foot, and then lift the chest and fold forward with a move. And hold. So dig that move. Breath in and then exhale forward. So that's the end point of the position here. And then forward into a position that you hold. So what you want to avoid is being back. Okay? You're not waiting. See how this foot is light? That's what you want to avoid. To get forward and weight in your foot. And then when you actually come into the pose, it's the same thing. You want to avoid doing this. Okay, so you're trying to get forward, not back. And then trying to get your head down. Okay, so you lift up